Have you ever seen smoke come out of water? It's not magic, it's science. And today I'm going to show you that using dry ice. Want to see the smoke inside water? Here is it. This is water inside the bowl, and I'm going to pour in some dry ice and see the smoke come out from the bowl. So hi friends, welcome back to our STEAM Club YouTube channel, and today we are going to carry out a lot of experiments using dry ice. What is dry ice? Dry ice is actually a solid form of carbon dioxide, the same carbon dioxide that we breathe out. Yes, but unlike normal water that is frozen water, dry ice is not wet, and that is why it is called dry ice. So today lots of experiments that we're going to be carrying out using dry ice. So watch as we continue in this experiment. So let me show you what dry ice is all about. Dry ice is very cold, about minus 78 degrees Celsius. So do not try to hold dry ice with your bare hand. Make sure you're putting on a glove, or make sure you make use of tongs. So I'm going to show you what dry ice is all about. So here is the dry ice, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Wow. Can you see this? Is really cold, and with me here I have a colleague that will be working with me on this experiment. Remember, we have different experiments to carry out with this dry ice. I'm sure you're going to love it.